We asked for your input on the LADWP customer bill. And after hearing what matters most to you, we've redesigned our bills with our customers' recommendations in mind. And the feedback was pretty clear. Our customers said they wanted more information about their water and electric service in an easy-to-read format. Take a look at our new bill design. We think we've created a bill that responds to your concerns and will better suit your needs. Your customer access number is located on the upper left-hand corner of your bill. This number is important because you can use it as identification to access your account online and by phone. Your previous balance, payment, and current charges are conveniently displayed here in the account summary section. How do you like to pay your bills? LADWP offers you choices. You can pay your bill online, in person, by phone, or by mail. The Summary of New Charges blocks clearly separates your LADWP and City of Los Angeles Bureau of Sanitation charges. Look here to find useful information and links to helpful tips on our website. No more sifting through the pages of your bill to find the due date and total amount due. We've moved the payment stub up front on the first page. To help you better track your water and power use, the new bill also includes charts that detail your usage history over the past year. Check here to track your water and power consumption by tier so you can keep your usage within your allotment. Detailed information on your City of Los Angeles Bureau of Sanitation charges can be found here, including your city sewer service charge and trash fees. For more information on understanding your new bill, visit our website at www.ladwp.com. The new LADWP customer bill. You spoke, and we listened.